Hey folks, this is Daryl with Oklahoma Biker. This week is Labor Day weekend and there'll be lots of folks going to the lake, but there's still a few things going on in the motorcycle community. We have the Ricky D. Hill Memorial Run going on in Poto. We have the Good Vibrations Car and Bike Show at Tonkawa. The Gloss Mountain Cruisers Car and Bike Show is going on at Fairview. And Smokeout Hunger Cruise-In is going on in Bartlesville. Wild Bill's birthday party will be held at Ed's Hurricane Lounge on Sunday the 6th. Now Ed's Hurricane Lounge is on 11th Street in Tulsa, and the Ice Meltdown Bike Show will be held in Oklahoma City this weekend. Remember, if you want to know where to go to oklahomabiker.net, and we'll look forward to seeing you next week.